Local area emergency for the SeaTac County. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the SeaTac Police Department, in conjunction with the Port of Seattle Fire Department. There has been multiple reports of mass vandalism, drug use, damage and sexual assaults taking place at the Hilton Seattle Airport and Convention Center, where a furry convention, known as Rainfurrest, has been taking place since September 24th. Police, fire department units and ambulances are currently on the scene. All residents in the SeaTac County are advised to not approach the Hilton Seattle Airport and Convention Center until this situation is resolved. Do not approach the convention center, and do not interfere in emergency services work, as you can potentially risk your safety and that of those around you. Most importantly, do not engage in any vandalism acts. Unruly behavior will not be tolerated, and will result in arrest. Stay tuned for more information on this situation.